Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share, guys, a DIY thrift store makeover. I'm taking my thrift store dresser and giving it a glam touch. I hope you enjoy. This is my thrift store dresser. Now, I've had it for over a year and I've painted it many colours, including this beautiful turquoise. But I decided that I wanted it to be a neutral colour that I could use all year round. I started by removing the hardware and then taking a sanding block, I sanded over the entire piece. I was recently in our craft store spotlight here in Australia and I come across these dream catcher rings and I knew they'd be the perfect shape and size for what I had in mind. Taking my favourite white spray paint by Dulux, I sprayed the rings with 2 coats. While they were drying, I took a roller and my favourite gloss vivid white paint by Dulux and I started to paint the dresser. This is footage of the first coat, but I ended up doing 4 coats in total as the turquoise took a little while to cover. While it was drying, I then took these craft sticks outside and using about 4 of them, I also sprayed them white. Now I had 2 mirrors from Kmart Australia on hand and I wanted to give them a little bit of a glam factor. So I took one of those dream catcher rings and I added it to the centre. And then I took those little white sticks that I painted and I cut them to size. You can see here that I'm just measuring it to size to make sure it would fit between the ring and the mirror, and I did the same thing to all 4 pieces. This was such an inexpensive way to give that glam look that is very on trend at the moment, but didn't cost me hardly anything. While they were drying, I wanted to give a design to the drawers of my dresser. So I took these dollar store mirrors that I picked up. I had some square ones as well as 4 round ones. And I wanted to create a design on the drawers. After playing around with the design, I decided to put a round one in the centre of the drawer and 2 square ones either side. Now I used a liquid nails glue here to position them all in place and to make sure that they sat on perfectly. Now the Kmart mirrors are actually glued on as well. Now you can see here I have a little hair clip holding the 2 together on the right hand side. That was my little tip, guys, in making sure that everything stays in place while it dried. Now I also took these beautiful crystal knobs and I wanted to use them as my handles on the drawers. So again, off camera, I used a very strong glue and I glued them to the centre of the circle mirrors. So guys, here is my glam DIY dresser. It was an inexpensive way of glamming up a thrift store find. I also used one of those over the door mirrors that you can pick up from dollar stores and I added that simply to the top of the dresser. As you're aware, mirrored furniture can be very expensive, but I wanted to show you an alternative on taking something that you possibly already have and giving it that glam look at a very inexpensive price. I'm definitely that girl that absolutely loves to shop in thrift stores. I was recently in one yesterday with my husband, and there was so many things that I could recreate, guys. And here is a typical example of something that you could make over yourself. I had a challenge for myself and certainly had a vision. I wanted to prove to myself that I could get the designer look, but for less money. All up, I spent about $70, but that's an inexpensive price compared to the cost of mirrored furniture these days. Now, as much as I loved it when it was turquoise, I certainly love it even more, guys. I wanted something that was very neutral that I could use all year round, and I love that I got the glam factor I was after just by taking a few simple ideas. So thank you so much for watching, my sweet friends. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own glam dresser. Make sure you check out those thrift stores and definitely those garage sales. You'll be surprised at what you'll find that you can recreate. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.